Robots have been learning to walk, run, and even dance. But what if a robot could do something far more useful? Like cleaning your bathroom, preparing food in the kitchen, serving ice cream, and even mixing a cocktail. Today we're looking at a robot that might be one of the most practical service robots we've seen so far. And some of the tasks it performs might genuinely surprise you. Because this robot doesn't just move around, it works. The robot comes from Reflex Robotics, a company focused on building machines that can operate in everyday environments. Instead of futuristic humanoids that struggle to balance while walking, this robot takes a more practical approach. It uses wheels for mobility and 2 robotic arms to manipulate objects around it. And that design choice may actually make it far more useful in the real world. One demonstration starts in a place most people wouldn't expect a robot to work: a bathroom. The robot approaches a toilet and begins scrubbing the inside of the bowl. Using controlled arm movements, it rotates the brush and cleans the surface just like a person would. It's not flashy, but it's exactly the kind of repetitive task robots are meant to handle. After that, the robot moves over to the sink. It wipes down the surface carefully. Cleaning around the basin, the robot washes its hands. This tiny detail makes the entire sequence feel much more natural. Instead of performing isolated actions, the robot appears to follow a logical workflow. Clean the toilet, clean the sink, wash hands. It's a simple routine, but it hints at something important. Robots are starting to understand multi-step tasks. And the next demonstration shows a skill that has challenged robotic systems for years: folding clothes. Cloth is incredibly difficult for robots to handle. Unlike rigid objects, fabric bends, wrinkles, and changes shape constantly. Even advanced robotic systems often struggle with tasks involving flexible materials. But in this demo, the robot picks up a piece of clothing, aligns the fabric, and folds it with surprisingly smooth movements. It's not perfect, but it's a clear step forward. Handling everyday objects like clothing is a major milestone for service robots. Because once robots can manipulate unpredictable materials like fabric, their usefulness expands dramatically. Next, the robot moves into a kitchen environment. And this is where things get even more interesting. The robot begins by interacting with its surroundings in subtle ways. It draws open a set of curtains, adjusting the environment before starting the next tasks. Then it picks up a banana. Using careful finger movements, it peels the fruit just like a human would. This might sound simple, but peeling fruit requires delicate control and precise grip force. Too much pressure, and the banana would be crushed. Too little, and the peel wouldn't separate. After that, the robot moves on to preparing strawberries. It positions the fruit on a cutting surface and slices it into pieces. Again, this requires controlled force and accurate positioning. Finally, the robot places ingredients into a blender and operates the machine. By this point, the robot has completed a sequence of kitchen tasks that together look surprisingly natural. But here's a fun and relatable twist. After blending the smoothie, the robot moves on to an even more impressive task: cooking multiple dishes from scratch. Using its arms and precise manipulators, it chops vegetables, stirs sauces, and operates kitchen appliances in sequence. It can prepare simple meals like an omelet, sauté vegetables, and even plate the dishes neatly. What makes this demonstration so impressive is how it manages multiple steps across different recipes without human intervention. It handles each ingredient carefully, times its actions, and adjusts its grip and movement depending on the task. From cracking eggs into a bowl to stirring a sauce on the stove, every action is controlled and deliberate. This isn't just a showcase of movement, it's a glimpse of how robots could assist in real kitchens, from homes to restaurants. At ProMat 2025, the Reflex robot wasn't just cleaning and cooking. It served ice cream too. Over 3 days, 3 robots helped give out 30 gallons of ice cream, scooping and handing treats to visitors. That kind of interaction shows not just manipulation skill, but social and customer-facing potential for service robots. And if you want to see more robots performing incredible real-world tasks, hit that subscribe button. You won't want to miss what's next. Now, one of the most unexpected demonstrations comes next. because this robot can also mix drinks. In a playful demo inspired by a cocktail advertisement, the robot prepares a drink by handling bottles and pouring liquids. It carefully tilts the bottle, controlling the angle to pour without spilling. Liquid manipulation is particularly challenging for robots because small mistakes can quickly turn into a mess. But the robot performs the task smoothly. This kind of fine motor control is exactly what robots need if they are going to assist in homes, restaurants, or hospitality environments. And yet the robot's capabilities extend even beyond indoor tasks. In another demonstration filmed on the streets of New York City, the same robot takes on an entirely different role. It becomes a snowplow. With an attachment mounted to its wheeled base, the robot clears snow from a sidewalk. This highlights something unique about the robot's design. Because it uses wheels instead of legs, it has strong stability and can carry useful payloads. That makes it adaptable to many different environments, from apartments and hotels to warehouses and city streets. The robot itself weighs about 80 kilograms. Its arms can handle a combined load of around 23 kilograms. And its vertical design allows it to operate comfortably in spaces designed for humans. That includes places like kitchens, hallways, elevators, and hotel rooms. Instead of building robots that require entirely new environments, the idea here is to build machines that can fit into the spaces we already use. And that philosophy may be one of the reasons this approach looks so practical. Of course, robots like this are still early in their development. Many of these demonstrations rely on teleoperation, where humans guide the robot remotely while the system learns from those actions. But over time, those repeated tasks can be used to train AI systems that allow the robot to perform more actions autonomously. In other words, every demonstration like this could help teach robots how to work independently in the future. And if that happens, machines like this could eventually assist with a wide range of everyday tasks: cleaning, food preparation, hospitality services, maintenance, and many others that are repetitive, time-consuming, or physically demanding. The idea of robots helping with daily chores has been imagined for decades. But demonstrations like these suggest that the technology may finally be approaching that reality, not with flashy sci-fi machines, but with practical robots designed to do real work. And if systems like this continue improving, the question may soon shift from whether robots can perform these tasks to how soon they'll start doing them in the real world. If you want to see more robots performing incredible real-world tasks, from household chores to city work, hit that subscribe button and join the journey into the future of robotics.